Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make these rainbow sugar crinkle cookies. So the ingredients that you're gonna need for this is a cup of sugar, 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1 egg, a teaspoon of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a cup of butter, which is 2 sticks of butter. And make sure it's softened. And you do need a teaspoon of vanilla, but I didn't have vanilla, so I just left it out. So the first thing I did was creamed the butter, the sugar, and the egg, and I mixed that up, and then I added the flour. And by the way, I will put the link to this recipe in the description box below. Okay, so to dye the dough, I separated the dough into 6, not equal pieces, but like 6, just random pieces that I just picked out, and then I just dyed it, with the red, green, blue, yellow, and for the purple, I just did red, some red, and then a little bit of blue. And then after I got all the colors, all the dough dyed, the colors that I wanted, I just put it all into one container, and then I just like kneaded it together, not too much, because if you do it too much, then it's gonna turn into like a whole new color. So I just kneaded it until I liked the color of it, until I liked like the marbling of it, I guess you can say. And yeah, and then all I did was shape it into balls with my hand and put them in the powdered sugar, and then bake them for 10 to, I would say, like 12 minutes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's what they look like when they come out of the oven. And the next clip that you're going to see is my brother trying them. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. Okay, ready to try a cookie? Show them the inside. Like it?
Yeah.
Alright. You want to say something?
Hmm. Hi.
Really? You're not in the video. You want to try one?
No.